Located in Yelahanka, New Town, the Nagarjuna Degree College sits in the heart of a peaceful residential neighborhood surrounded by serene lakes and lush green spaces. The calm environment creates the perfect setting for learning, while well-organized bus services ensure easy and convenient access for students every day. Hello and Namaskara. Welcome to the Nagarjuna Degree College in Yelahanka, Bangalore. If you're serious about your career, this is the place to be. Because choosing an institution is not just about choosing a course, but also an environment which shapes you as an individual and a professional. Let's see if you can find someone to walk us through the college. Hi, I'm Aishwarya.
Hi, I'm
Priyanka. So actually I'm here to explore your campus. Would you like to take me through the same?
Why not? Come, I'll show you.
The vibe of the campus is warm and welcoming. It's a place where learning feels natural, making it the perfect environment to explore and enjoy your favorite subjects. The library offers a rich collection of books beyond academics, catering to a deeper love for literature and a curiosity for knowledge. Thanks to our student guide for showing us around the campus. She's heading off now to attend a favorite class, but not before reminding us to explore the exciting clubs the college has to offer. And now, to share more about the vision and values of the institution, let's hear from our principal.
Nagarjuna Degree College is one of the top-notch colleges in North Bangalore. Here we focus on holistic development of the students. Our students are also getting university ranks. At the same time, they are representing in various competitions at state and national level. For example, recently our students won prize at prestigious theatre competition that is conducted by Cultural Department, Government of Karnataka, that is Ranga Saurabha. And girl students are representing Karnataka in fencing at Jammu and Kashmir. See, this is how our students are developing themselves using the excellent platform what we have provided. And here we focus on bridging the skill gap between industry and academia. We have made various collaborations. For instance, we have signed up MOUs with Big 4 companies where they are coming to the campus, training our students, taking students on live internships and leading to the final placement. And we have made collaborations with various national and international professional bodies like ACCA, USCMA and CA, CS, and recently we've also signed up an MOU with Harvard University. So here we focus on holistic development of the students. The strength of this institute is our faculty members who are all well experienced and many of them are having PhD degrees. And we always believe that teaching and research should go hand in hand. So our faculty and students are coming together and coming out with collaborative research and publishing papers in Scopus, ABDC kind of prestigious journals. And one more unique feature that we have at NDC is ours is the only college in North Bangalore where we have an exam center granted by prestigious National Stock Exchange NISM certification programs approved by SEBI. So our students and the college students of other colleges can come and take their NSE, NISM certifications in our college. So I welcome all the prospects for both UG and PG to consider Nagarjuna Degree College, which can always contribute in shaping your bright career.
The classrooms are equipped with projectors for an engaging and visual learning experience. While advanced computer labs, guided by experienced instructors, provide the perfect space to build practical skills. Here's the details of the courses offered by the college. Undergraduate programs, BCom, BBA, BCA. Postgraduate programs, MBA, MCA. Now, let's hear from a BCom CMA integrated student. The college strongly encourages sports and overall fitness, creating an environment where talent can thrive beyond the classroom. With the right support and opportunities, students have gone on to achieve impressive positions and bring pride to the institution through their performances in various competitions. The college also nurtures a vibrant culture of dramatics through its theatre club, Ranga Chaitanya, where students explore creativity, performance, and the art of storytelling.
ಅವರ ಕುರ್ಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದು ಹಾದಿ ನೋಡುವೆ.
The college's fashion club provides a creative platform for students to explore style, design, and self-expression, encouraging them to showcase their talent through events, shows, and innovative concepts. So I see there's a fashion lab around here. Can you please tell us more about the same?
Yeah, it's the fashion designing class. So it's the creativity and art where my ideas are portrayed on my designs.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The music club brings together passionate performers, giving students a space to express and showcase their musical talent. Hello, sir.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell us the forms of music students learn here?
Yeah, we teach Carnatic classical, semi-classical, folk and film hits.
Thank you so much, sir. Please get.
Sani pa kari sa.
A place where learning meets opportunity. This college nurtures talent, builds skills, and prepares you for a successful future. Take the next step towards your goal. Scan the QR code on your screen and apply through Appli today.